What are stablecoins? Stablecoins are a type of cryptocurrency designed to maintain a stable price, typically by being backed one-to-one by a traditional currency like the US dollar. They combine the benefits of crypto, like fast transfers and global access, with price stability. In plain English, think of them as crypto with training wheels. While Bitcoin's price can swing wildly, stablecoins are designed to always be worth about $1. They give you the speed and global reach of crypto without the stomach-churning price swings. Why does this matter? First, they make crypto useful for everyday payments without the volatility risk. Second, they enable fast and cheap international money transfers. And third, they act as a safe haven within the crypto ecosystem during market crashes. Finance, finally in plain English. Learn more at finglo.app.